Hi everyone, welcome to Coding for Kid program by Extrabit Mangalore. This is the review of our fifth session of coding program. So far we discussed the topic what is Python, types of Python, variables, operators, operations, interactive programming by using input and print function, the turtle module, the eval function, decision making and branching, the different types of loop in Python. Today we are going to cover data structure, string and list. Then we are discussing adding color to a turtle graphics with the help of a list. So data structure, what is data structure? Data structure is a particular way of organizing data in a computer so that it can be used efficiently. It provides method to retrieve and manipulate data. Some of the most important data structure that is available in Python are string, list, tuple, set, dictionary. So today we are going to discuss string and list. So first one is string. So already I have introduced what is string in Python in our first session. Okay, now we can add some more point with respect to string. String is one of the key data type in Python. It accepts three type of codes to assign starting value to a variable. Okay, you can see here the first one is a single quote, second one double quote, third one the triple quote. Okay, so single quote is used to represent a single word. Example, word is equal to Majid. So here word is a string, Majid is a value that is assigned to a string, the text that is assigned to word. Second one double. Okay, so it is used to represent a sentence. Example, sentence is equal to Abdul Majid. Okay, so the text Abdul Majid is assigned to a string called sentence. Third one, by using triple quote, it is used to span string across multiple lines. Example, we are creating a string called paragraph. Okay, the content, the text or the paragraph that is assigned to paragraph is Python is a general purpose programming language. It's a language for language of beginners. You can see triple quote and end with the triple quote. String starts and end with the same type of quote. So if you start with a single quote, you have to end with single quote. If you start with a double quote, you have to end with a double quote. And if you start with a triple quote, then you have to end with a triple quote. Okay, now we can discuss some of the important function related to string. Okay, so I have created one string called extra bit Mangalore. I have created one string called extra bit Mangalore. Then I am displaying str.capitalize. First one we can discuss the capitalize function. So the capitalize function capitalize the first character of the string. It will convert the first character of a string to the capital form. So here extra bit Mangalore. So extra bit is the first word in this particular string. In that x is the first character. So if you call this function, x will be converted to the capital letter. So you can see the output extra bit Mangalore. So x is in capital letter. Second function str.upper. So upper function. You can use upper function with the string. So this function convert the entire string into uppercase letter. So if you call str.upper, str is nothing but extra bit Mangalore. So str.upper, that means you convert str to uppercase. So you will get the output extra bit Mangalore. Similarly, the next one, str.index Mangalore. So you want to check whether a substring is present in a given string or the given pattern is present in a given string. Then you can use index function. Okay, so if the string is present, if the substring is present in a given string, or if the pattern is present in a given string, then it will return the index of that particular string. It will return the index of that particular string. Okay, so here it will check whether Mangalore is present in a given string called str. If it is present, it will return the address of m in a given string. Okay, so yeah, it is a typo mistake. It should be 8. So this function will return 8. It is not 5, it is 8. You can see 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So here it will return 8. Okay, sorry for this typo error. Then the next one, print str.replace. We can also use replace function to replace existing string with the new string. So I want to replace extra with the coding for kids. So it will check whether extra bit is there in a given string. If it is there, it will convert to coding for string. So this is the all existing string, this is the new string. So the existing string is replaced with the new string. So if you execute this statement, print statement, you will get the output coding for kids Mangalore. You can see extra bit is replaced with the coding for kids. So we discuss the capitalize function, upper function, index function, and a replace function. Now, the list is a one of the main data structure that is used in Python. We are using the data structure called list in most of our advanced programming in artificial intelligence, machine learning, and so on. Okay, so what is list? List is an ordered group of sequence enclosed inside a square bracket and separated by a comma. It is an ordered group of sequence enclosed inside a square bracket and separated by comma. So we can create a list by using square bracket. So within the square bracket, you can write the element. You can write the element by using commas. You can separate by using commas. So here you can see, for example, first one I am creating a list one. Okay, the value of list one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Clear? Second, I am creating a list of fruits. Okay, so fruits is equal to mango, banana, orange, apple. So these are the element of this particular list called fruits. Third one, I am creating a mixed list. You can see the element 10 mango, 25.5 true. We can have list of integer, we can have list of string, we can also have mixed list. Okay, so in this case, the first element is an integer number, second element is a string, third element is a floating point number, and the fourth element is a boolean data type. Okay, so we created a mixed list with the 10 mango, 25.5 true. Then we are creating one more list called list of colors. Okay, so we are assigning value red, orange, pink, green, violet. Clear? So like this you can create any type of list. Fine. So in our turtle program, we are using the list called colors. Okay, to assign various color for our graphics. List is mutable. That is, we can modify and update whenever required. List is mutable. We can modify and update whenever it is required. Okay, so how to create a list? You can give a name of a list, then you can square bracket, then you can write the elements, you can separate it by using commas. Okay, so if you want to know the content of the list, you can just type the name of the list and press enter, or you can use print function with a message, comma, fruits. So here message is fruits, and these are the elements of the list output. Or you can trace the elements of a list one by one by using for loop. If you want to trace, if you want to retrieve, if you want to access the elements of a list one by one, then you can use for loop. Okay, so for I in fruits, print I. So it will return the elements one by one. First it will return mango, then banana, then orange, then apple. Clear? Then if you want to update or change the content of a list, you can do that by using the index of a list. So here I am writing fruit of 1 is equal to grape. So what is the value of fruit of 1 here? First two element is 0, index 0, second element index 1, third element index 2, and fourth element index 3, and so on. Okay, so here at position 1 we can see banana. So if I want to change, I don't want banana, instead of that I want to add new element, I can do like this. Fruit of 1 is equal to grape. Then what will happen? Banana will be replaced with grape. So you can see mango, grape, orange, and apple. Now you can also perform the slice operation with respect to list. So this one we have done by using string. Same way we can use list also for slice operation. Okay, so here I created a list called fruits with the 4 elements: mango, banana, orange, and apple. Okay, then I'm performing the slice of 1:4. That means I want to get a piece of list from the first element till the fourth element, but fourth element will be excluded. So you can see the index. First element index is 0, second element index is 1, third element index is 2, and fourth element index 3. If you are using negative index, you can see first it will start from -1, -2, -3, -4, like this. Okay, so if I am writing fruits of -4, it will return mango. Now let's see this. fruit of 1 colon 4. So same thing, you can see the output. Fruit of 1 colon 4, it will return banana, orange, apple. 1 colon 4. Starting from here, 1 banana, 2 orange, 3 apple. So banana, orange, apple. We got the result banana, orange, and apple. Now fruits of minus 4 colon minus 1. Fruit of minus 4 colon minus 1. So starting from minus 4 till minus 1, but minus 1 is excluded. So it will return mango, banana, orange. Mango, banana, orange. Like this you can try to execute and understand the remaining slice operation. If you have any doubt, you can ask me personally. Then adding color to our turtle by using a list. Okay, so first we are explaining how to change the color of a pen, how to add color to a pen. Okay, so you can write t dot pen color red. That means the color of the pen ink, it will be red. So whatever you write by using that pen, it will be in red color. Okay, then nothing is there, so only we have added this t dot pen color red. Select pen color red, then draw a rectangle. So rectangle will be drawn by using a red color. If you execute this program, you can see the output. Then 4 color spiral using list. We are creating 4 color spiral using list. How to create 4 color spiral? You have to use 4 different color. So how to use 4 different color? Step number 1, import the turtle module and set up a turtle. Then tell the computer which color we would like to use. For that, you can use the concept called list. You can create a list. In that, you can specify the color that you like. Then set up the loop to draw 100 lines in our spiral. Pick a different pen color for each side of a spiral. Move the turtle forward to draw each side. Turn the turtle left to get ready to draw the next side. So you are already familiar with this step. Now we have to concentrate on how to add color. Okay, so we are writing a program, import turtle. Then we are creating pen, t is equal to turtle dot pen. Then we are changing the background. How to change the background? For that, you can use turtle dot bg color black. So I want to change the background of a window. So I want to use black color. By default, it will be white color. So if you are writing like this, it will be in background will be in black color. So write down turtle dot bg color. Turtle dot bg color. It is used to set the background of color of a turtle graphics. Okay, then we are creating a list of colors. So I am specifying the color red, yellow, blue, green. You can see the comment, it is list. So we have created list with 4 favorite colors. Then we are drawing, what I can say, we are using for loop to draw the spiral, square spiral. So first, whenever we draw one side, we have to change the color. So how to change the color? For the, we have already set the colors red, yellow, blue, green. Now whenever we draw one side, we have to take one color. Okay, so we have used the remainder operator, modulus. We are performing the modulus operator or remainder operator. So x mod 4, initial the value of x is 0, so it will select red. Then x will become 1, that time it will select yellow. Then x will become 2, that time it will select blue. Then x will become 3, that time it will select green. Then x will become 4, so 4 mod 4 equal to 0, again red. Then x will become 5, so 5 mod 5, it will return 1, so yellow. Then blue, then green, then again red, yellow, blue, green. So this cycle continues to draw the sides of a rectangle. Clear? So let's execute this particular program so that you can understand how it will be. Let me copy this program here. Let me execute here. Okay, so run this particular program. I will do again. See here, you can see we are drawing at a red, yellow, blue, green, red, yellow, blue, green, red, yellow, blue, green. So we are creating square spiral with 4 different colors. So this program will draw 100 lines. It will draw 100 lines. So it's completed. Now turtle finishes. Clear? Now you can change the background color, you can change the color option, even you can start from 100. Okay, 100 to 200, like that you can try 100 to 200. So you don't want to start from 0, you want to start from 100. Okay, so you can see the variety starting from 100. Size is, and first side 100, 101, 102, 103, and so on. Okay, so it will end at 200. So you got a beautiful colorful square spiral. Okay, next one, color rosette pattern with the background color. Okay, so how to draw a color rosette pattern with the background color? So you can set the background color, you can set the color, then you can draw the rosette by using this. Okay, so here we are taking the input from the user, as we discussed in the last class, how to take the input from the user, how many circles they want. Okay, we can use turtle.num input function. So by using this, it will create a window. We can type how many circle we want, then based on that it will draw the circle. I'll execute this program. So here I am writing 10. Okay, so 10 circle will be created. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we got 10 beautiful circle with different colors. So you can change this number of circle and you can try. And I am not explaining the program now because already this program is explained in the previous class. Okay, so here mainly we are focusing on how to give color, how to change the background color. So those who are watching this video first time, I request you to watch my previous video. Okay, now the function related to list. There are many functions related to list. First one, len of list. This function will it is used to find the number of elements in a list. How, if you want to know how many elements in a list, if you have a list with lots of elements, then it is very difficult to calculate. So that time you can use len of list. So within a fraction of second, it will return how many elements are there in a given list. Then min of list, the smallest element in a list. Max of list, the largest elements of a list. Then sum of list, sum of the elements in a list. So if you, for example, we are creating a list with 1, 5, 8 as an element, then if you perform len of list, you can see there are 3 elements. Min of list, 1 is the smallest element. Max of list, 8 is the max of largest element. Sum of list, it is 14. 1 plus 5, 6. 6 plus 8, 14. Like that. Then the other function, list.append function. So list.append function, the append function is used to add element at the end of the list. So append function, it is used to add an element at the end of the list. Next one is extend function. Extend function is used to combine or extend the list with a multiple value. So by using extend function, you can combine 2 or more list, or you can add multiple element same time at the end of the list. Third one, pop function, list.pop function. It is used to delete element from the list. The recently added element will be deleted by using pop function. The next one, insert function. It is used to insert element at any position. So if you want to insert element at any position, then you can use insert function. If you want to add element at the end of the list, then you can use append function. So by using append function, you can add element at the end of the list. Whereas by using insert function, you can add element wherever you want. Similarly, remove function to perform remove given element from the list. Okay, anywhere. So if you want to remove element anywhere, you can use remove function. If you want to remove the recently added element, then you can use pop function. Then next one is sort function. It will sort the element in ascending order. And the next last one is dot reverse function. It will reverse the element in a list. Clear? reverse the element. Now we can see one by one. So if you write one function called list1 and one list called list1, another one list2. So list1 the elements are 153, list2 the elements are 50 and 60. Then if you want to know what is the content of list1, you can call list1 in print function. It will return 153. Similarly for list2, it will return 50, 60. Now we are performing the append function. We are using append function with the list1. That means list1 dot append 25, add 25 at the end of the list1. So initially it was 153. Now if you add 25, it will become 15325. Next one, list1 dot extend list2. So I want to merge list1 and list2. So I want to add list2 at the end of list1. Okay, so you can see list1 is equal to 15325, 4 elements of list1. Then the 2 elements of list2 is added, 50 and 60. So it will become a combined list. Next one, pop function. So if I apply pop function for this, you can see the last added element, recently added element 60 will be removed. So we will get a new list. Then we are performing insert operator, insert 2 comma 100. That means insert 100 at position 2, index 2. Insert 100 at index 2 of list 1. So you can see 1500. 100 is inserted at position 2. Why position 2? Because position start from 0. So it is 0, 1, 2. Similarly, remove list 1. Remove list 1. Remove the element which is located at index 1. Remove the element which is located at index 1 of list 1. So which element is located? 5 is located. So 5 is removed and we got the new list. Fine, 5 is not there in that particular list. And the last one, list1 dot sort. So it will sort the element in ascending order. So you can see this is actual numbers. It is sorted in ascending order. So 1, 3, 25, 50, 100. Then list1 dot reverse. So the content is reversed. 100, 50, 25, 3, 1. So these are the various functions with respect to list. Now we can use one program by using append function. Okay, by using our turtle graphics. See here you can see just we are importing turtle, then turtle pen, then we are changing the background color of turtle by black, then we have created a color of list. So we have used many colors. Then we are creating one more list, blank list called family. One more blank list called family. So the name of the spiral is family spiral. Spiral family name. Okay, so we are using an empty list. Then in function, sorry, in this program we are appending, here we are taking the input from the user. Turtle.text input, we are using turtle.text input to get the text input from the user. Okay, so user will enter family name. So we are sending message, enter a name. So we can enter the name of our family members. Okay, so this will be repeated. So if you enter the family name, the name will be appended at the end of families. Initially it is blank, now it will become one element. Okay, then we are asking again, my family, enter name, or just hit enter blank. So if you want to add a new name to this list, you can enter new family names, members name. Okay, if you want to stop, then just press enter key, so you can give any number of, you can give all the names of your family number. Okay, or if you want, you can give all the names of your friends, no problem. Then we are creating x in range 10 comma 100. So repeat this from 10 to 100. So it will repeat from 10 to 99. Okay, then here we are writing t dot pen color. T dot pen color colors x model len of family. So rotate through the color. So we are using pen color. So whenever we draw a name, it should be in different pen color. Okay, so we are using the same function, modulus function or remainder function. Then len of family. Len of family means how many numbers are there. Remember, here we have given many colors. But if there are three members in your family and you have entered three names, then no need to use all the names of your family, all the colors. So you need only three color. So we can restrict by using this. X mode len of family. So select only 3 colors. Fine. Then pen up. Don't draw regular spiral. Just pen up. Then forward X into 100. So we are calling the forward function. Just move the turtle on the screen without drawing anything. Then pen down. Okay. Now start drawing. Okay. So what to draw? We have to write the name of the family member. So we are calling, okay, with the font Arial. Select Arial font. Then what will be the size of the font, and it should be in bold mode. Clear, with 3 parameter. First one, name of the font, size of the font, then whether it is bold or italic or normal. Okay, then turn towards left with the given angle. So by using it will evaluate this formula, it will turn by using this angle. So I will execute this program. It's a beautiful program. Try to understand this program, try to modify this program, and create your own program. Okay, so here the purpose of learning this, how to append element to a given list. Okay, so enter a name or just enter a end. So I am entering Max. Simply I am entering Max. Okay, then I am entering extra bit. Okay, then I am entering Abdul. I am entering Majid. Then I am entering Bangalore. So how many names entered? 5 names. Okay, so I don't want to continue with more names, so I am just pressing enter key. Okay, so it is drawing the spiral. You can see when we draw the spiral, the size increases gradually, color changing. Max, extra bit, Abdul, Majid, Mangalore. Okay, so we got family name spiral or friends name spiral. Clear? So try to execute this program by using different names. Okay, so at this point, you should be able to do the following. Create string, perform various string function. Create different types of list and perform various function with a list. Adding color to a turtle. Changing the background color of turtle graphics. So be ready to do more advanced fun program in the next session. Fine.